Subscribe to your channel and get notifications regularly. Hello and welcome to this video tutorial brought to you by W3 Academy. If you want to post more than 30 seconds video on WhatsApp status, then this tutorial is absolutely for you. In this video, I'm gonna show you the best and safe and simple method to post more than 30 seconds video on WhatsApp status. Usually WhatsApp doesn't allow you to post more than 30 seconds video on WhatsApp status. So let's go to our tutorial. Open my WhatsApp and I will show you the video posting from here. Okay, I will select this video from here. Okay, video sent to my status will be trimmed to first 30 seconds. You might be getting this problem. I'm gonna share the best method to overcome this problem, and you can post the full video. From here you cannot post the full video. This video will be trimmed to first 30 seconds. So what you need to do is to post full video on WhatsApp status. You need to download an application from your favorite browser. Okay, go to Google from your favorite browser and download this application, GTroid APK. You download this application from here. Okay, don't forget to put APK after the name. You can download this application from this website. A 5.5 MB, it's a free application to use. Okay, I have already downloaded and installed this application to my device, so no need to install this again. And after installing this application to your device, what you need to do is don't open the application yet, and what you need to do is go to settings, and from here go to applications, and from here we are looking for WhatsApp, and open WhatsApp, and after that force stop WhatsApp. It is very important step. So if you don't force stop your WhatsApp, then there's no advantage of that application you have downloaded. Okay, after that what you need to do is open this application, GTroid. Okay, here I need to tell you something, that your mobile should be rooted to run this application. If your mobile is not rooted, then this application will not work in your mobile. So you need to have your mobile rooted first. If you have not rooted your mobile, then go to my other tutorial from here, and in that I have explained the whole process of rooting, how to root your mobile in one click, and cons and pros of rooting your Android mobile. So go to my that tutorial, and from here what you need to do is, we are looking for WhatsApp. Okay, open WhatsApp, and this here is the game of increasing the time of WhatsApp status. So from here go to com.whatsapp preferences. Okay, now we are looking for here, these are some default settings of WhatsApp. You can change them, and with your okay, now you can see that status video maximum duration is 30 seconds, and I can put anything here, integer number. I can put integer number, any integer number. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I will put 3600 seconds. That will be 1 hour maximum duration of my video. Now you need to save, and from here save, file was successfully saved. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I will show you how it works. Go to WhatsApp. From here go to status, and I'm gonna go ahead and post the video from here. Okay, select the video again, and Oh, and now you can see that this video has not been trimmed. This video is full video, and I can put the full video from here 0 to 0:52 seconds. And now this video is not trimmed to 30 seconds. Okay. Okay, as you can see that I have uploaded the full video, full 52 seconds video from here, and you can post any video. You can post a long or video and 30 minutes video by this setting. So that's how you can post a maximum video, more than 30 seconds video status on WhatsApp. So that's all for this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do it now, and thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.